Part repeatability really comes down to three things at Kenson. We take very seriously a front-end design review process. Then we're very focused on the manner in which parts are tooled for the forming process and fixtured for the CNC process. And ultimately, our inspection process on the back end makes sure that the parts are correct from the beginning and run consistently throughout the run from an in-process inspection perspective. And so the design review process really is all about the engineering team at Kenson getting together and evaluating how are we going to make this part that our customer has designed. And that often will mean that we need to work with the customer on certain features to the extent that those are more difficult for the process, make sure that it's necessary. But once we have all narrowed in on this is the right design for the part and we can successfully produce it, we move on to the tooling phase. And so then in tooling, we most often have a mold that forms the part and then a CNC fixture that holds the part in place when it is being machined. And so in this example, when the part is being molded, we needed to make sure that we were going to get nice defined features. And so the mold was designed in a manner to allow for that. Both in this area and in this area, you can see that they're nice sharp features. And then for the CNC fixture, we designed the fixture to hold the part firmly in place using vacuum while the part is being machined. And then you can also notice that it's held in a manner that the machine can access it. So then while we're machining the part, the machine will come down and mill certain sections. And these are the dimensions that are very critical for the overall assembly. Then from inspection, we need to make sure that it is correct. We will do things like make jigs to evaluate fit, where in this example, this is a 3D printed jig that the part nests into, and we're evaluating these contours, which would otherwise be very difficult to measure. And so what we have is we have a toolkit around our engineering process and our quality process working together to get us this outcome, which is a very high precision part at low production volumes.